Alright, so we're working on wrapping this one up. Big Greg putting the finishing touches on.
Flashback. It's Robert's job, Bobby. It's been a while since you heard from me. Homeowners are ready to jump in the pool already with a raft. I'll get you some more progress videos tomorrow, Bobby. Why are you End of flashback.
Pool over there. Nice Techo-bloc patio over there. Berto's doing something over there. Don't know what he's doing. Kyle's over there putting some plants in. Finished the patio. How long ago was that? Probably almost a month or two, maybe 2 months. Had to wait for the fence to get put in so we could finish doing all the fine grading and seeding. Putting some topsoil in, clean up all this racket over there, and then get the rest of the trees and plants in and be all wrapped up.
Do you like me? If you do, please say.